So yes, I'm back. So I was telling you about how this site works. Okay, so I'll just leave this chat, and so this is basically all this you have to specify in your own text file that I'll tell you how to use it. You can even share your websites over here, like uh, like this guy is sharing his websites. Okay, but one thing that you have to keep in mind is you can share these websites when you are using a rotating proxy, because when you share a website here, Join is going to ban your IP. So once you have rotating proxies, then only your IP will be changed on every request, right? So this is I'll if you want to share our website video video call, like these are all spammers, okay, and people fall for it. I'll You must have seen my conversions on the sales thread, so I'll click on new chat. I'm hoping a spammer does not come here. I'll type yes. I'll ask him, like, you can go to my website. So if you want to share a website, share it like this share it like this and not like this. If you share it like this, then your IP will be banned for sure. Okay. So the way I used to share messages is like uh top pawn in the world. Then I used to share my website like this. Like this I used to share, then I used to wait for some time, and then I used to leave the chat. So this is how it works. Okay. So just open the software, and this messages to be sent is basically for the messages that you're going to send on the website. I'll show you how the process is going to work. So just open this, make a txt file and name it whatever you want. Okay, so you must have seen, like, the first message that you'll be sending is like, hi, I am Mary from USA F21, and then what about you. Okay, after this you'll wait for some time, and then the other person will reply something, I'm this, and then I'll say that, like, this all depends on how creative you can make these messages. I'm Mary from USF21, what about you? Then the person would say that I am a male from Brazil or anywhere. Okay, so then I'll ask him, like, how are you, like this. Then the software will wait for some time, and then you can send another message. The person will reply that I am fine, what about you. I'll reply that I am fine too. And then you'll ask him, like, what do you do, and then the person will reply something, and you'll wait for some time, and then you'll say that, like, I am getting late, let's talk on Instagram. You'll share your whatever your user ID name is, and then the person, like, not all will fall for this, but a few people, they'll actually fall for this, and they'll text your Instagram. So after this, it's your duty how you convert that person. Okay, you can even share your OnlyFans account on the Instagram. Like, if you have an OnlyFans account in Instagram, then you can ask the person to, like, follow you or get something for free, like this. Okay, but keep in mind that don't use websites like this. I'm again telling you, if you use websites like this, and then your IP will be banned. Okay, you have to use rotating proxies for this if you want to if you want to send messages like this. So let's say here I'll end my conversation. I'll just save it, and I'll go here to the spamming bot. So initially we're not using a proxy. We're not using a proxy here. I'll try to run it without proxy here. So this is the proxy, and then this is the number of threads, how many browsers you want to run instantly. So I'll type here 2. Now this will depend on how much is your computing power that I was actually referring to you before. So if you want to run 2 threads, like, so I'm using a 1V core VPS from Hionix. I'll provide the link in the bio. So I'll provide the link in the description. So this is the cheapest that Hionix have. So I'll just put 2 here, and time in between messages, this 10,000 basically means that it is 10 seconds. So this is in milliseconds. Okay, so this is 10,000, so I'm basically waiting for 10 seconds. So I'll just click OK here, and you can see like how it works. So this is a browser. I'll show you. You can even check how your browser is doing. So the VPS is a bit slow. I recommend you to buy a more powerful VPS. I just purchased this to make a tutorial for you. So this is where you can see your websites. So your website has been loaded. Now you can see the actions that the software is going to do. So you can see how this is working. See the messages that you typed before. So it will send a predefined messages. You must be seeing like, I am Mary from USA, what about you, like this. And here also like the person has cancelled it. I think he knew that I'm a spammer. So here you can see the conversation going on if the person types something else. The person is not replying at that. So this is how it is going to work. Okay. See, this is how the actions are going. Once the person has like, I'm scrolling this up, okay? So the once the person has marked you as a bot, so like there is no way. But the software will wait for 1 minute and then it will start the process again. Okay. You'll see how this will go. I'll show you the another instance when it is going to start. I'll just wait for a minute to get this done. So this is the like, so this has been done. Once it has been done one time. Okay, it is showing that it has been done. Message sent one time. But like the person marked you as a bot, so we can't do much about it. So it will click on text only again. You're now chatting with a random stranger. Okay, when you see once you see this, like, you have not been banned on this site, your IP is not banned. You're now chatting with a stranger. So see the conversation. Hey, this stranger is typing here. This side also the stranger typed something. So like, see, I am from Mary USA, what about you? The person will type something else. Let's see what he types. He's typing something. So this all depends on how creative you are with your messages and how. See here also the stranger have written good. Now I'll share my Instagram after some time. Like the messages, you can make the messages flow like whatever you want. This is also, I'll close it now and I'll show you how to use it with proxy. You can just click on exit here, and you can also like, so this is the complete message that I was sending, but you have to keep in mind that you provide line breaks in between like this. Okay, there have to be breaks in between. In every line there should be a message. So you can even provide a website like, so one thing that I used to do was top porn sites, Sasha. This was my site. I'll just check if 10 minutes are done or not. Okay, I'll start with another video.